Okay, that's fixed. Now, let's show you what's inside of this. First, you want to unplug it. Secondly, you want to there's a plug in here. That's a plug. You have to unplug that in order to get in. Now what you want to do is unscrew this, maybe these, and these two right there. And then you'll get in. Okay, when you do that, you should be able to open it. Just like that. And also, you have service info in here, such as this. Yep, all wood quality. And here is the reel-to-reel. Now, here's your tubes. Which are a bit warm. I suspect this hasn't been used very much because this doesn't even have the speck of dust on it. But yeah, there's all your tubes. It uses neck tubes. They all say 53, so this could be from 1953. I don't know. But yeah, just look at all these old capacitors still going strong. These old axial capacitors. It's literally... the hell? I hear something rattling. Hold on, I think that's missing screw. There's something rattling in here, but I don't know if I can find it. Yeah, and that's also that plug I was talking about. It doesn't seem to be a big deal. I suppose it could just stay. This is your filter right here. It's a bit warm. This is hot. Pretty hot, actually. This could be starting to go. This is your motor start capacitor. I would suggest it's probably going 1.5 UF. At 250. I might have that. I could probably just replace that right now. Yeah, but genuine Sony part right there. I would have thought maybe Sony made their own tubes, but I guess not. Maybe there's another tube in here somewhere. Nah, there's only like... it's not many, actually. Oh well. There's these capacitors. They're not oil filled. Also, right over here is a fuse holder. And it's, for some odd reason, corroded. Yeah, the fuse. So at least you know there's a fuse in here, so you don't have to worry too much about using it. And it has this little cool thing. This is your motor's plug. These, I don't know what they do. I ain't gonna touch them. But they connect to something. More of the circuit board. Pretty cool, ain't it? I'm tempted to replace this. It's really, really hot. Hotter than the filter. This is hotter than the filter. But maybe that's supposed to be like that. These tubes don't feel warm at all. Maybe they don't work. I mean, I'm pretty sure they work, but still. And yeah, I can see in there. Giant ass transformer. Little output transformer. Actually, not little. Two for stereo. Ah, this must be left channel, right channel, because 2 transformers are for both channels. I just thought of that too. Well, certainly not much, but damn. Pretty sure the transformer's supposed to get a bit hot. Purple thing, weird. It's just a thing. This is so old that they use string to tie the wires. Maybe it is from the 50s. All tubes say 53, and 1962 wasn't invented in the 50s, obviously. So this is... I would think maybe 50s, unless they had new old stock tubes, NOS parts. I doubt it. Who knows? Actually, let me check something. I got my meter connected to Fahrenheit. Let's connect it. Ooh. $98. Maybe that's normal. That capacitor could be going out. Also, I'm uploading videos. Here's just a little sneak peek there. Although that video will be uploaded before this one. But yeah, this was requested by a friend, and here you go. This is what it looks like inside of a hybrid tube, reel to reel. Also, you can see the transistors right here too. Also has some transistors, probably for the power. Just tube amp. Total of 5 tubes. Just look at them here before we go. Look at that. I think that's a relay of some sorts. It's some sort of relay. Ooh. Someone's whack job repair. Electrical tape there.